Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of February. I've had this box for a couple of weeks now, so I'm really excited to get into it. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will help you to choose 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box. And you get to apply your $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. I no longer have that $20 styling fee because I was offered the Style Pass a few years ago. And so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. Stitch Fix does do a fix preview, and so for this particular box, I did select 4 of the 5 items from my fix preview. So we're going to get into my box to see what I got for this month. So right on top, I see my prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. One of the things I love about Stitch Fix is that shipping is free both ways. Also inside of my box is my white envelope with my price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 65 for me, so I've been doing this for quite a while. Also inside that white envelope is your Oh Hello style card. And so this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your fix. So I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Your style delivered. I'm thrilled to hear that you loved your last fix. I noticed that you selected some beautiful blouses and a cozy sweater for this fix. The dark green and burgundy blouses from Monday Fun are both versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. I also noticed your request for a black cardigan, and while I wasn't able to include one in this fix, I did select a teal green cardigan from Violets and Roses. This cardigan is a full button style that can be worn open or closed, and its vibrant color will add a pop to your outfits. I apologize for not being able to include the navy 151 Emsley long inseam boot cut pant or the black Mia Candice booty in this fix, but I'll definitely keep these in mind for your future fixes. Tara." So here's a look at my bundle. I have some blouses, the cardigan that she picked, and the sweater that I chose in my fix preview. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first item is by Monday Fun, the Lillian V-neck blouse in burgundy. And so it's just this cute little polyester blouse. It does have like a polka dot print on it. It has a split V-neck and a little cap sleeve. It's burgundy, and it looks like the polka dot is kind of like almost like a tan or a light pink. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that real quick. And so this is just a great little work blouse for me. So I would probably pair that with a little cardigan over top of it. And I do love the color burgundy. The next top is by Monday Fun as well. And it is the Madeigh button back blouse in dark green. And so here's this little blouse. And to me, this is almost like a little teal green top. I really like this color. It also has a little polka dot print, but it's like a little irregular print. So there you can see that. Another polyester blouse. It does have a cute little button detail on the top of the back of the blouse. This one, the polka dot is more white. Again, I just really like that color. The next top is by Beacon, the Gracie relaxed blouse in black. And so here is what that looks like. It does have a split neck. It is kind of sheer, and it has like a little double layer. Like it has like a little silky black cami built into the top, and the top layer is very sheer. The print is like gray and silver and a little off-white, and it does have like a Swiss dot on the blouse. So let me get up close. I do like that the sleeves are sheer and they look kind of like a balloon sleeve. It does have an elastic wrist for the sleeve. So I'm going to try that on and see what I think. I do think that's a pretty blouse. The next item is the item that she added to my fix, and it is the Violets and Roses Catlee full button cardigan in blue. And so here's what that looks like. It's kind of like that peacock blue. The front of the cardigan has some, you can see through it, so you'll definitely have to wear something underneath of it. I do like the little detail on the sleeves and on the front. It has little buttons going down the front. And the back is just plain. It's very soft, and I love cardigans, but I do not own any of the shorter kind of button-up cardigans. So I'll be interested to see what I think about this cardigan. Very soft. And the color is very pretty. And then lastly, I picked this pink clover rosemary ribbed long sleeve sweater in purple. And so here's what that looks like. When I chose this, I thought this would be a really good sweater for like Valentine's Day or past Valentine's Day, but I really do like the colors in it. It's the color blocking with the cream, kind of a purple, and then like a burgundy. So that color blocking goes around the back. I just really like the colors in this. It's not been very cold here in North Carolina. So I think what's gonna happen is, depending on how I feel about this cardigan, will determine whether or not I keep this sweater. So if this ends up being a 5 for 5, then I would go ahead and keep the sweater and just save it for a colder day. We've been in like the mid to upper 60s lately, so not really sweater weather here in North Carolina. So I'm gonna get ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first sweater, and this is the pink clover sweater. It is called the Rosemary Ribbed Long Sleeve Sweater. And it's this really pretty color blocked sweater with the cream, the kind of like purplish color, and then the burgundy. I really do like the colors in this sweater, but like I said, it's not really been that cold in North Carolina. We've had no snow this year, which is kind of shocking. We don't get a lot of snow, but usually we've gotten a little bit of snow by now. So the sleeve length is good. I do like that the color blocking matches across to the arms. The length is good. I think it's a really cute sweater. And like I said, I think it's going to depend on whether I keep that button-up cardigan or not. So I'm going to try on a blouse and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this blouse, and this blouse is by Beacon. It is the kind of double layered blouse. It has a little built-in cami. It is very sheer on the top. So it has a nice V-neck, kind of split neck here. It does go kind of low, and I do have a white cami on underneath of it, so just be aware of that. It has very flowy sleeves, kind of like a balloon sleeve with an elastic wrist. The print is like a gray, a silver, and kind of like an off-white. There is a Swiss dot detail on this blouse. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print. This top is very flowy. I guess that's why it's called a relaxed blouse. It does come down pretty long in the front, and it does come down longer in the back. So it kind of scoops up on the side. I think this is kind of a dressier blouse. I do have it on with jeans right now, but I probably wouldn't wear it that way. I do think it's pretty. What do you guys think about it? All right, I'm gonna try on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, the third item is this top by Madeigh Fun, and this is the one that has the button back detail. It is a polyester blouse. It's that kind of silky polyester, so you would have to be careful because I think it could get some static cling to it. It does have a cute little cap sleeve. So this top does have a polka dot print, but the polka dots are not perfectly round. There are some polka dots that almost look like an animal print because they have some openings inside of the polka dot. And I do love this color. I do love the little cap sleeve. I think you could pair this easily with a cardigan. It'll be great for transitioning into spring. It is that silky polyester, so it, it has like that kind of silky feel to it. It does come down long in the front, kind of come up on the side and come down longer in the back. There are some pleats right here in the back, so it does have like a little button detail going down the top of the back. That button detail is hard to see because it blends in perfectly with the top. So overall, I just think this is a cute little work blouse. I'm gonna try on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the fourth top, and this is the Monday Fun Lillian V-neck blouse. It is a burgundy. It does have like a little abstract polka dot. It's different than the polka dot that's on the other one. The other one almost has more of an animal print look to it. I do like the little split neck here, the little V. It does have like a little pleat right here going down the middle. Again, it has the cap sleeve. So this polyester blouse is not as silky as the other one, and I do prefer this type of polyester. It is smooth, but it's not as silky. I feel like that one's gonna have a little bit more trouble with static cling, but I do use static guard, so that's not a problem. I love the color, the polka dot. Like I said, it almost looks like a tan or a pink. It does come down in the front. Again, it kind of scoops up on the side, comes down low enough in the back. I have it paired with my light wash jeans, but this would look great with black pants for work and a cardigan. All right, guys, I'm gonna try that button-up cardigan that my stylist put into my box, and we'll see what we think. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this cardigan by Violets and Roses, and I love this kind of like peacock blue, teal green color. I think it's really pretty. I have my white cami on so you can kind of see through it. It does have the buttons, and the buttons are not stitched shut because you can open this up. Very soft, very stretchy. And I do love the little pattern that's on the front and on the sleeves. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that. So you can see how it has like little openings throughout. It does have a nice little ribbed cuff right here. The sleeve length is good. It is shorter than I'm used to. I do like the little buttons. Most of my cardigans are a little bit longer that come down below my bottom. And so, like I said, I don't own any button-up cardigans. I don't know if I would wear it buttoned up like this. I am gonna put a little white tank top underneath of it and try it without it being buttoned and see what I think. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this cardigan, but I have a top on underneath of it and I've left it unbuttoned. So I just paired this little crochet detail Daniel Rain off-white top with it. You can still see the detail where it has the openings with it. And so here's what this cardigan looks like with it open. So what do you guys think? My husband liked it both ways. My daughter liked it open more than closed. Right now I have it paired with light wash jeans, but I do think this cardigan would pair nicely with a pair of nice black dress pants. So you guys tell me what you think. Do you like the cardigan? And if you do, would you prefer it to be buttoned up or left open with something underneath of it? And what suggestions do you have for what to put underneath this cardigan? This is going to be a tough decision. I need your help. All right, guys, I'm gonna get dressed. I'll be right back and we'll do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And so I'm really gonna ask for your help. I really need to know what you think about that button-up cardigan. Did you like it buttoned up? Did you like it unbuttoned? What would you suggest? All right, let's get into the prices. First off is the cardigan by Violets and Roses, the Catlee full button cardigan in teal green, and the cost of this is $54. I love the color. I love the little pattern on the front and the sleeves. I do think it would pair nicely with black dress pants for work or to go to church. So you guys tell me what you think. It's very soft, very stretchy. I do think it's very pretty. All right, guys, next on the list is by Monday Fun, the Madeigh button back blouse in dark green, and the cost of this is $39. Here's that top up close. So you can see what I mean by it kind of looks like almost like an animal print because of the polka dots that have the openings. I do love the color. It is that kind of silky polyester. The little button details in the back were cute. I like the cap sleeve. It can be paired with a cardigan nicely. So tell me what you think about this top. All right, guys, the next item on the list is by Pink Clover, and it is the Rosemary ribbed long sleeve sweater in purple, and the cost of this is $48. I do love the colors in this color blocked sweater. I do think that depending on whether I keep that cardigan or not will depend on whether I keep this sweater. If I keep the cardigan, I'll go ahead and keep this because I do think we'll have a couple cold days between now and the end of March here in North Carolina, but we won't get a lot of them. However, I really do like the colors. I like the sweater, so. All right, guys, the fourth item on the list is by Beacon, the Gracie Relaxed Blouse in black, and this one is $46. And that was this sheer blouse that had the black kind of built-in cami underneath of it. Here's an up close of the print. I do think the colors are very pretty. I do like the little Swiss dot detail. So I think it'll pair nicely with a lot of different colored bottoms. So I did like this blouse. And then last on my list is by Monday Fun, the Lillian V-neck blouse in burgundy, and the cost of this is $40. And so that was this blouse right here. I do like this blouse. I like the little split neck, V-neck detail with the little pleat. I do think that the polka dot is like a tan or almost like a light pink. I just love this burgundy color. Another great work blouse. All right, so the stylist pick subtotal was $227, but if you buy all 5 items, you get to take off $56.75. That would leave me with an order subtotal of $170.25. Shipping is free. I don't have any credit right now, so my final total order would be $170.25. I think those prices are fair for 3 blouses, a cardigan, and a nice sweater. So you guys tell me what you think. All right, guys, I really do need your help on this fix. I need to know what you think about that button-up cardigan. Did you like it on me? I absolutely love the color. It's very soft, very comfortable to wear. I just need to know, did you like it buttoned up? Did you prefer it unbuttoned? What would you pair underneath of it? I need some advice on what you think I should do. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That referral link is good for first-time men and women customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically that referral link will waive your styling fee so you won't have to pay anything up front. The items will get shipped to you for free. You'll get to try them on. You'll decide what you like and what you don't like. And then when you check out, you'll have $25 to put towards whatever you decide to keep from your box. I really love that with Stitch Fix, you only pay for what you keep. Shipping is free both ways. My family finds it very nice and convenient because we all get boxes, my husband, my daughter, and myself. So if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.